My name is Rob Hazelton, and I lead the healthcare and life sciences practice here at Avanade. A recent study from Avanade found that 90% of healthcare professionals believe AI will make their people more efficient. But our clients are asking us, how will this happen? How do you get started? And how do we roll out Gen AI and Copilots the right way? And then I always get the question of, how do I pay for it? Clients ask, how do I get the ROI from Gen AI? So I think the answers to these questions start with an understanding of what is Gen AI really good at? Copilot will help you do what Gen AI does best, and that is to summarize, standardize, and synthesize data. And I call those the first three S's, in that Gen AI can summarize substantial amounts of data, notes, and images. And then it can synthesize or create reports, notes, emails, and other needs from data or other materials. Then it can standardize those notes, reports, or emails however you see fit, and can do all of these things through a Copilot using nothing but a series of simple texts, or what we call prompts. If we use Copilot well and we prompt it well, we're arriving at the second set of three S's, which is we're simplifying, supplementing, and supporting a human to do their job better. When considering what generative AI and specifically Copilot from Microsoft 365 can do for your organization, there are many use cases that in some ways are only limited by your imagination. Most clients are starting in lower risk but higher cost areas like the back office, administration, billing, and claims. Payers, for example, are using Copilot from Microsoft 365 and generative AI to summarize cases, draft messages to members and providers, explain options, and even suggest next best actions. This improves services times and member experiences and speeds up claims processing. Hospitals are using intelligent chatbots and Copilot from Microsoft 365 to rapidly search data and respond to patient intake calls within seconds, and even to answer routine questions on their own. This frees up valuable time for nurses to see patients face-to-face and practice more often at the top of their licenses. Research and labs are using Copilot from Microsoft 365 to create concise yet comprehensive reports that draw the most relevant information from slide decks, spreadsheets, Word documents, and more. Drug development teams are using Copilot to find clinical trials participants faster and share that data and information about results more effectively. Learning how to use and interact with Copilot and Gen AI in the workplace will require people to be upskilled. This is a key step to drive adoption, and as a result, a greater return on your investment in Copilot. For this reason, Avanade provides end-user training on how to prompt effectively, and we provide what we're calling promptathons, where we gather users in groups and we share best practices on how to best prompt to get the results you're looking for. Finally, I'm often asked how ROI from Copilot can be measured. And my answer is it can be measured in cost reductions in billing, in claims, and other back office operations. It can be measured in increased productivity of patients served online or seen by a clinician. It can be measured in lower no-show rates and rates of attrition of clinical staff lowering, and even in health outcomes. So as you can see, there is a lot you can do with Microsoft Copilot, both in healthcare and life sciences. But many organizations struggle with how to get started and how to uncover the best ROI possible. And this is where Avanade can help. To learn more about Avanade and the value we can help you realize with Microsoft Copilot, please visit our website. Thank you.